Crap, I forgot to turn the I turned that off right before I came on. I forgot to turn it back on. Dang it. Well, anyways, we're good now. Sound is good now, and there's a couple different things. We're doing great. We're streaming. I thought I would just pop on here and stream because we're skyrocketing here. High growth is fucking skyrocketing. Also, a couple different takes on the news that we got, and this is just really interesting. Plus, I thought this would be a good time because I always the one really good advantage of streaming is just getting to hear what everybody's thinking, and you know, I always think there's a lot of great questions that we get on the streams and some stuff that I'm maybe not talking as much as I should about. And right now, this new probe deal, I'm fucking excited about this, man. I'm excited about this. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Alex, R2D2. Oh, it's good to see everybody. I recognize almost everybody. Awesome. 608 up 3% right now. We're doing absolutely fantastic on the day. And before we do anything else, let me just show you something scary. Before we go into, if anyone here's the thing, you guys know how it works. You guys say if there's one chat about a news or something in the past, I'll start rambling. Before that happens, let me just show you guys something scary. I was looking at this morning and I was just like, oh shit. Look at how similar the Nasdaq is right now on the RSI on the monthly. It's almost the exact same as it was right before a major correction, or I mean, that's not a crash, that's a correction right there. And then this one right here, every single time the monthly RSI is way, in that 70 to 89, almost 90 range. We're in that range right now. I'm not trying to say that, short the markets, but I just wanted to bring it to everybody's attention. And I also wanted to say UVXY is looking pretty fucking auspicious right now, in my opinion. I just added some shares there. Make your own opinions. My plan is to make money on the way down because I think the markets are headed down. And I think the markets. I don't think the markets can keep this up with the with what's going on in the economy. That's what I think. Anyways, back to BNGO. Let's go back to BNGO. You guys have to tell me what you want to know. Tell me what you want to know. give me a subject to rant about. 606, 2% in the green right now. High growth is still skyrocketing. Let's go. If we can hold 6 past Friday, we're going to different levels next week. Yeah, we obviously the goal today is to close above 6. Close above 6. That's what we need. And it's great that we're going up today. I want to make it very clear though. We're not going up because of the news that we got. No, absolutely not. Look at this. Nano Dimension's ass is valued higher, more than 50 cents higher than BNGO is right now. We are not going up because of the news that we got. No one, everybody, I'm telling you guys, people don't understand. People don't understand what we got here today. This is going to help us. This gives the cytogenetic labs all-in-one option to do everything they need as far as detection, from the low base pairs to the high ones. This is amazing. This is absolutely fantastic. And, of course, the price doesn't give a shit. But it's important for the investors like us, right? this is what I'm going to refer to us as, the people who are actually informed on what's going on. This is how you make money, man. You got to look behind the stock, behind the numbers. You got to see what's going on internally. We know that we're developing a product with new probe, and they're going to be selling them left and right, man. Because not only do you have the best thing in the world at greater than 500 base pairs, you also have those SNVs and the low base pairs that new probe does with their sequencing technology. Simple as it gets. Eric is in my country in Italy. Yeah, he was. I do remember that PR. Yeah. Hey, man, I make money because of you. Hey, Peter, my friend. Hey, guys, you have to remember, guys, it's not a short-term game with BioNano. It's not, you can't look at the stock and say, we're doing great, Brandon. You can do this. Do whatever the hell you want, man. But but I don't think it's very smart. I think it's a one-way ticket to failure and depression in your stock market life, absolutely. If you're looking at BioNano's success on a couple-week basis, or even a month, maybe even a 1 year basis. I've said this before, and maybe people get confused at this, but it makes sense. Think about it. Stay with me. Think about this. My synthesis is that BNGO is going to do well in terms of Sapphire sales and revenue, and we're going to become profitable, and we're going to go up. We're going to go up to double digits, $20, $30, $50, and 60 to 120 is my target. 10 years to maybe 15 years, maybe, and it could be 7-8 years. We could get there, well, maybe, and that's about 1,000, 2,000% in the green that we would all be making. We're not going to know if I'm right. And this is why how I get pissed off, right? I get pissed off all the fucking time. This is why. we're not going to know if I'm right on my idea for probably years, to tell you the truth. Probably, I mean, nano nozzle could come out, the hype could start going again, high growth in the markets could just continue going, I guess, just skyrocketing, and then we get an even bigger crash whenever it happens. That could happen, and short term it could look like I'm right, but we're not going to truly know if Sapphire is the way, and if I was right, and if you guys were right on your on what you thought about the company. That's the truth. That's the truth, man. All right. Yeah, it's good seeing you guys again. You would have a great career as a radio personality if you ever got tired of YouTube. I could listen to you for hours. Oh, that makes me feel good. Thank you so much, Tess, my friend. Your name makes me think of Tris Marigold. I'm still my mind is always thinking about The Witcher. All right, Brandon, have you ever looked at Naove? Not really. Can you sing, bro? No, I can't play guitar though, and I want to play guitar today. If you guys let me, if you guys let me play guitar, I will. Nice seeing all the names back in here. Yes, it is. Yeah, let me. What questions do you guys have? And here, let me ask you this: 607 up over 3% right now, by the way. But here's while everything's kind of slow here, let's go over this. So I was asking, what does everyone think of the new probe deal? And of course, if you don't know the new probe deal, I don't fucking know why. This is the problem with YouTube. This is the problem. Look at this. Okay, all of these videos here, most of these 3 videos, literally you can see none of these are breaking news. I'm usually pretty clear on what videos are huge news. This one got the least amount of views out of all these. This is how the YouTube algorithm screws everybody over. Not just me, but the people, because this is what they need to know. They don't really need to know this stuff. They need to know this stuff way more. Way lower views. So my point is, if you haven't seen that, please go look at it. It's groundbreaking. It's the biggest piece of news that we've got since the earnings, August 4th. I'm telling you, that's the truth. New Probe Global and BioNGO co-developing products. You heard that right. They're literally going to be making products with us. I don't know if it's okay. It's plural. It's ed. There's an S there, right? I don't know if it's. We don't know the details on the product, but what we do know is that only good things can come of this, and this is what gets you excited for the future. Things like this is what reaffirms your belief and confirms and validates that the Sapphire is a revolutionary technology. Yeah, man. Let's hear it, Peter. Yes. All right. Awesome. Yeah. So let's go here though. Let's go here. So with the new probe deal, some people are thinking it brings my confidence in the business side of the BNGO to all-time highs. It's not how it's when. It's not how, it's when, and I'm loving this price action. It gives you all the time you need to add more. Yes, it is. And an interesting thing there, if I might add, is that I already talked about this a couple times. Take a shot every time I talk about this next topic. BNGO did not react to the news today or yesterday. It didn't react. It didn't react at all. This is just high growth going up. Don't mistake it. All right, the BNGO family is getting rewarded today. Yes, everyone's happy. It's a little bit, it's a little bit. I don't want to say euphoric, right? It's definitely been more euphoric than it is now. That's damn sure. But everybody's happy right now, but for the wrong reason, right? For the wrong reason. We should be happy because of this. This is, again, guys, if you're in the same boat as me, which is you think BioNano is worth a couple years, or at least a couple years of an investment, because you think this shit is going to pop, it's only a matter of time, because you don't know how to predict when the stock will react to the news or when the Sapphire sales are coming, but you think it's inevitable because, and this is what separates the bulls from the bears, whether they understand or not, you believe in the Sapphire getting thousands of machines installed. That's what it comes down to. If you had to break it down, that's what it comes down to, and people don't give a shit about this, that literally this gives us more reason to believe that there's going to be more Sapphires sold, or at least more revenue coming in, because we're literally co-developing products with a great company that does not work with PacBio. These guys only work with Illumina, and it's providing an all-in-one option in the cytogenetic world, and that's amazing. That's amazing. So if people are happy because we're up on the day right now, no, we should be happy because of what we just got news-wise. Absolutely. All right. What is the benefit to seeing the bars in your graph as opposed to the line? I'm a novice with this stuff. Okay, so I think what you mean is when you're talking about the price, whether it's bar or, this is what I use. I won't really talk about that too much. Yeah, just go learn some intro, just whatever. You do the line price action if you like it. Candles are what most people use. I think they're better. Anyways, What are you guys thinking, man? There's no comments in here. What we got the greatest news? Like, do you guys think I'm crazy when I'm talking about New Probe? This deal being here. Let me put the link down here if you guys haven't seen this or something. You don't know what it is. Here, you know what? I'll link the YouTube video as well if there's someone that didn't see it in the chat, because like I don't know what's going on. Do you guys think this? Are you guys against me? Do you think I'm an idiot? Do you think this isn't that big? And like, Brandon, what are you talking about? This is nothing. This is nothing. Did I overlook something? Tell me. Do you think it's huge? What do you think? Explain the news. Okay, I'll explain. I explained it yesterday. I did a very good. I thought I did a good job explaining it yesterday. Right? I devoted a lot of time to that in yesterday's video that no one saw. Thanks YouTube algorithm. But I'll explain it now. Basically, it's us partnering with a great company, a venerable company. Literally, this is a venerable company that works with Illumina, not PatBio. That's another key, and not that many other companies at all. To my understanding, these guys do sequencing stuff. They do low base pairs, and to keep it simple, let's just keep the scientific terms away right now. Let's just keep it simple. We're partnering with a company that does a completely different thing that we do in the same field that we do, kind of, right? We do the high stuff, they do the low stuff in the cytogenetic world. And we're partnering to literally, quote, co-develop products, not products. That sounds like, I mean, it's open to interpretation what we're going to get if this is, I mean, who knows? Okay, who's to say this isn't freaking nanonozzle, man? Okay, I'm not trying to make that argument, but who's to say? You know, we just don't know. It's so open-ended. And we only get, there's not much information here about the actual product. The only thing we get is this right here. Combined, and he's talking about the Sapphire and New Probe's technology, they can provide researchers and clinicians with a more complete picture of the mutational burden of a tumor sample than any single technology can by itself. So, and then also we get, we're excited to see how this combination of our strengths will allow New Probe to develop a superior product for genome analysis in reproductive health and oncology. So I don't know exactly. I don't know if it's going to be a Sapphire plus New Probe tech, or if it's going to be something new that is like, you know, just pretty much only doing the mutational burdens of tumor samples, which is better than anything else in the world, I guess, which would be amazing by itself. I don't know, but I mean, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? It's only good news. Only good things, man. Absolutely only good things, for sure. In my mind, no, it's very good news. I understand the value of this technology, but I don't understand how fast this tech can be adopted. Well, that's kind of why we're here, isn't it? That's kind of why we're all invested in BioNano, because we do, well, I mean, at least in a sense, kind of what you said there, because we all think the Sapphire will be adopted in the mainstream and be accepted by the medical community. However, we don't fucking know when. We don't know when. There's no telling when, right? I mean, all we have to do, all we're doing is looking at a thing and saying this is the best in the world. People are gonna buy this. Well, when? I mean, take your guess, man. Your guess is good as mine. So, what can New Probe do that PatBio also does? Are we going to be able to take businesses away from PatBio with this? Yes. You know what? Let me read this a little bit more before I go before I go and say something. So these guys do SNV detection. So that's single nucleotide variation. That's like low, very, very low base pair. And they do low abundance mutations at the RNA level. So they do a variety of stuff that BioNano doesn't. But at the end of the day, they're doing CNVs, copy number variations, and low detection in the base pair realm, to my understanding. And feel free to educate me and tell me exactly, like give me one sentence articulately on what these guys do. But they do sequencing. They do stuff that PatBio does. And yeah, theoretically, yeah. I mean, actually, yes. To be honest with you, the answer is hell yes. We're going to be taking business away from PatBio through this deal. Assuming we get some sort of reaction from the market and some sort of sales from this, which I'm sure we will, because it just makes perfect sense. I mean, as you see, our CEO says right here, we're better than any other single technology by itself. That's talking about tumor samples, right? We're not even, I mean, oncology is not just tumor, that's just cancer in general. And then you also got the reproductive health, and then you've got testing, and you also factor in that these guys are a molecular diagnostics company. It's like, wow, the possibilities really are endless here. The product that we're going to get and these guys are going to start selling, it really could be anything. And I said yesterday at the start that this could be the thing that sets us over the top, and I believe that. I don't know. I'm not going to sit here and say this is it. guys, load up. The rocket is coming. I'm not going to say that, but I mean, it could be though. It could be imminent. It's just, it'd be foolish for me to claim that I know for sure if it's coming or not, because we just don't know we don't have enough information about what product they're going to be developing. However, based on what we know, it's only going to be good things. It's only going to be good things. Could be significantly good. Could a partnership detract from BioNano's skills? Well, I don't really think so. No, I don't really think so. No, not at all. No. All this is going to do is increase. I mean, even if, yeah, I don't see any reason why that would happen. No. Marco Low, I hope you've been doing good. Oh man. That's funny. Let me go back to the chart here. 601. Here we go. We gotta hold $6. Hopefully we can hold $6. Remember boys and girls, it does not matter what the prices do. I mean, it does matter, right? Of course it does. It does. The BioNano stock price always perennially holds a place in our hearts, right? If it's doing well, we're really happy. If it's doing ass, we're depressed, right? That's kind of how it goes for most of us, at least I think. But at the end of the day, in actuality, like in thinking clearly, critically thinking, we should all be happy, regardless of whether we close green or red today, right? We all should be happy, absolutely. Record-breaking buyout bid coming in. Yes, I've missed that. Oh man. Yes, the takeout bid 50 plus, right, from 10x Genomics, Kevin, right? Oh man, what does new probe do? So yeah, they do this sequencing, my friend. Hey, I'm no ape. I identify as a chimpanzee. Yeah, AMC. Let's talk about AMC. Did anyone get rich off AMC recently? It's been doing very well. Yeah, this thing, man. How many people bought in the 30s and below 35? Anyone? Yeah, this thing's been a moneymaker for a lot of people, I bet. Hopefully some of you got in on this. I know we have a lot of people that follow AMC. Why UVXY when you can get a covered call ETF like XYLG to hedge monthly dividend and has lower fees than UVXY? All right, you know what? I'll add it to the watch list. I'll check it out, see if it's better. I'll tell you one thing. The reason why I like UVXY, one of the reasons is because it skyrockets more than anything else that I know of. When the markets really do bad, it has the highest volatility, which is bad when stuff is not really going your way. But when it does, when the market really does start going down 5, 10, 20%, UVXY is going to go up hundreds of percentages, and that will cover all your losses that you've had on the way down, and then some, and then some, man. But I know it's not for everybody. And you really to be like me and actually I'm not straight holding UVXY shares. I do a little bit of I don't completely trade it, but I'm holding some amount of shares I just keep in there because I'm too damn scared with the more of this valuation. But I do buy some and sell some based on how it's been doing the last few days. All right, bought and kept at $7. No one. Wow. Okay, so no one did any AMC stuff, really. No one did any AMC buying. Interesting. ILUS has been killing it. Nice, man. Hey, remember, guys, this is what we're hoping for. And people will call. I'm sure you guys have thought about this, and I'm sure people have called you idiots for called you an idiot for holding BNGO throughout all this downtrend. And you're like, dude, you could have made so much more money trading. What are you doing? Well, this is why. One day it's our hope that we'll be able to tell them. This is fucking why, because right now BNGO is right here, and if you want to short-term trade it, great. But you're not. There's no chance you're going to be able to time it as well as the people who are holding through everything and buying on the dip will. It's my opinion that over the next 2 decades, 20 years, we're going to have a similar trajectory as Illumina did. I don't know if we're going to get to $500 a share, but $60 to $120 a share, roughly, 1,000 to 2,000% up. I think that's realistic over the next 20 years. Absolutely, I do. And if we can get that. Dude, that's success. That's success, man. Even if BNGO only hits 60, 1,000% in 10 years. I mean, that sounds like, I don't know if that sounds underwhelming to some of you, but I'm good with that. That's a fine return on investment for me. 1,000%. Good luck making that real estate or anything else other than the stock market, right? Yeah, pretty much. I'm still holding AMC, just holding on to Hope Lowell. I've been 100% BNGO except for the random SPY spread to pick up some more BNGO. I picked up an ATOS call yesterday and a pop today. Nice, man. Nice. I'm happy for you. Good to see. I'm glad to know that you guys are doing well. Many of you are doing very well. Nice. All right, but yeah, with that being said, man, it's got kind of slow here. If there's any last minute questions here, I want to play guitar here and leave it on the chart for like, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. Play guitar for a little bit, but if there's no news today, and I want to keep these streams concise and short and sweet. You know, I don't want to be rambling on, like because I mean, back in the old days, I love what we did there. It was great. Okay, those days were amazing, right? Do you guys remember when we were up at 912 before the market started fucking tanking, right? I mean, those days were amazing. The streams were absolutely fantastic. There's just not enough news, not enough hype to keep streams going on for hours. And where we are today, I really hope we'll return to it, because I remember I don't have school on Tuesday or Thursday. I don't have any school, so I can always stream pretty much a little bit, at least on Tuesday and Thursday. Brandon did the stream just to have an excuse to play his guitar. Lol. Oh man, I enjoy playing guitar. It's a good time. Can you stream every Friday? No. Not during market hours. Nope. I get home after the market. I'm a commuter. I don't live on campus, so it's not like I can just walk from my class and then stream I mean, I guess I could stream with one laptop without any of the setup, with no mic and no camera. That would never work, though. The one redeeming quality that we have, or one of the redeeming qualities we have, is decent audio. And now we have decent video. We have decent video now. Can you guys believe that? We have good audio, decent video, and decent lighting. Can you believe that? The quality of the channel and the stream and the videos has increased so much. I'm so proud of myself for that. And that's thanks to Mark, our sponsor, Newsweed. Newsweed.com, that's our sponsor. They actually got us this camera. So that's actually amazing. Why do you feel there has been no response from BIOL with the PR? That's a good question. You know, I think it has to come. I think it comes down to two things. It mostly comes down to BIOL not wanting to do PRs because they believe that it just attracts shorts, and in the history, this idea would make perfect sense. I don't necessarily think that's correct at all. I think what I would say is screw the damn shorts. Drop some good PRs every once in a while, man. The goal, what you want to do. If you're the manager of BIOL, what you want to do is have as many people as possible thinking about the Sapphire. And I don't care if those are potential clients or people who don't know the first thing about the freaking DNA, about anything in the genomic space. I don't care. You want as many people as possible thinking about the Sapphire, so you do want to drop PR. So I don't really like their idea, their strategy, but still, I don't care. I don't care. This is still amazing. So, yeah. Let's see if there's anything going on here. All right, man. I say let's get out of here pretty soon. I have a disease that they are working on curing. How could I get in touch with them to offer myself as a test subject? Seriously. Well, Peter, I'm sorry to hear that, firstly. Anyone who's had health problems realizes that if you're healthy, you have nothing to complain about. That's why it's always trite and despicable to hear me and other people complaining some days on the red days. But anyways, what I'll say is basically what you want to do is you can try the IR email. Here, I can go ahead and get that up for you right now. I can send you this right now if you want. Yeah, it's this right here. This is what you're going to want to do. These guys, that's who you're going to want to email, and then if that doesn't work, you can talk to me, and then I can talk to Brennan, and then he can talk to the management, and then we can get you hooked up there if you really want to do that. Yep. So let me know. Make sure you're in our community. Make sure you join our Discord. Link in the description. It's free. I hope it still works. Somebody tell me if the damn link works anymore. It should. I don't think anyone's joined for a while. Maybe. I don't know. But we have a ton of people in here. I think we have like 400 or 500 people in here. Anyway, 601, kind of cooling down here, testing $6 support. Again, it doesn't matter if we close at 6 or 580 or 620, man. It's just I like what we're seeing from the company here. If you're a long-term investor like me, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. What matters is happening behind the scenes, not what the stop price is doing. So with that being said, all right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. I say we're going to play guitar real quick and then get the hell out. All right. Let's hear that axe, bro. All right, man. Let's do it. Unless there's any last-minute questions. We've already gone over, we haven't gone over that. We have gone over all the news, though, which is none, which is just what happened yesterday that no one saw. So, all right. Yeah, great seeing everybody. All right, feel free to get out of here, man. Feel free to get R2, Peter, Nicholas, thank you guys so much. Everybody, thank you so much. I can't name everyone. I can't name everyone that's been here. Can you play jazz? Not really. I could try. Not really, though. Thanks again. Nice to see you live again. All right, man. Thanks so much for joining me. It's great to see everybody here, man. I'm really glad that we could talk about the news and hopefully there were some people that didn't see the video yesterday but saw this today, and hopefully they're going to go watch the video from yesterday, because I'm going to be referring to this for months to come, because I can't wait to see what happens from this. This gets me very excited for the future, and I think there's great things ahead. I think there's great things happening behind the scenes. I think the management is doing a great job. The marketing campaign that the job listings have substantiated, and that's my extrapolation. It's a marketing campaign that we're doing. That has me excited. Quarter 3 has me excited. We've got the LDTs, the reimbursement route. There's a ton of things to look forward to, right? Although people are really pessimistic when they look at the price, the company's been doing fucking great things, and there's no reason to doubt that we are going to be on an Illumina trajectory in long term. There's no reason to doubt that, in my opinion. That's my opinion. Make your own damn opinion. So, yeah. All right. Thank y'all so much, man. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and start the loan process. Hopefully I can do this quickly. Okay, here we go. Okay, I've had the wrong audio on the entire time. That's fine. I've had the wrong audio on the entire time. All right. Let's do that. Okay. Feel free to get out of here now. Feel free to get out of here. My name is, it's Brandon. Brandon. That's it, yeah. So feel free to get out of here. There's your warning. We were playing guitar. I'm gonna play a couple riffs here. Let me change the title of the stream, so everybody knows. Full transparency, right? Playing guitar. Yeah, playing guitar. All right. Say it's good enough. You know what? What if I can get this while I'm sitting down? Let me know the audio. Let me know if the audio is coming in clear and everything. All right, there we go. Blow my car speakers, Brandon. guys so much. I won't take up any more of your time. Feel free to get out of here, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Where's my hat? Here it is. All right. Wait, why did the viewers go up? What? The viewers went up right when we ended. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Feel free to get out of here. We are out of here. We're doing the closing thing. We're doing the closing, and then we're out. I don't really listen to this type of music, but I certainly appreciate music and anyone who can do it as well as you, sick bro. Oh, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Yeah, I am a metalhead. I know most people do not like metal, but that is what I. Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do, man. Even if you don't like screaming, if you're one of those people like, oh, I can't stand screaming. If you're one of those people, at least the guitar is still cool. Anyways, that's completely irrelevant. Brandon, stop ranting. Thank y'all so much. There's the portfolio, still holding. I'm still fucking holding, man. I do 2,300 shares, man. I'm still holding. I'm still holding my call as well. It's getting absolutely annihilated, by the way. Look at that. But thank y'all so much. Feel free to check out Newsweek. It's our sponsor. They are linked in the description. And thank y'all so much. This is Not Financial Advice. I will see y'all in the next one.